My engine light is on. What does that mean? When the engine light, also known as the check engine light, illuminates on your vehicle's dashboard, it serves as an indicator that the engine management system has detected a potential issue. The light appears in the shape of an engine and can be steady or blinking. Here are some common reasons why the engine light may come on. Number 1. Emission system issues. The engine light often signals problems related to the emission control system, such as a faulty oxygen sensor, catalytic converter issues, or a loose gas cap. Addressing these issues promptly is essential for environmental and engine health. Number 2. Fuel system problems. Issues with the fuel injection system, fuel pump, or fuel pressure regulator can trigger the engine light. Proper diagnosis and repair are necessary to maintain fuel efficiency and engine performance. Number 3. Ignition system malfunctions. Problems with the ignition system, such as a malfunctioning spark plug or ignition coil, can lead to the illumination of the engine light. Ignoring these issues may result in poor engine performance and reduced fuel efficiency. Number 4. Sensor failures. Modern vehicles are equipped with various sensors that monitor engine performance. If one of these sensors, such as the mass airflow sensor or throttle position sensor, malfunctions, it can trigger the engine light. Number 5. Catalytic converter issues. A failing catalytic converter can lead to increased emissions and trigger the engine light. Prompt attention is necessary to prevent further damage to the vehicle's exhaust system. Number 6. Transmission problems. Malfunctions in the transmission, such as slipping or shifting issues, can cause the engine light to illuminate. Immediate attention to transmission issues is crucial to avoid costly repairs. Number 7. Battery or charging system problems. If the vehicle's battery or charging system is not functioning correctly, it can trigger the engine light. Regular maintenance of the charging system helps prevent unexpected breakdowns. Number 8. Faulty thermostat. A malfunctioning thermostat can affect the engine's temperature regulation, leading to the illumination of the engine light. Overheating issues should be addressed promptly to prevent engine damage. Remember, it's important to note that while the engine light indicates a problem, it doesn't specify the severity. A steady light typically suggests a less urgent issue, while a blinking light indicates a more critical problem that requires immediate attention. If your engine light comes on, it's advisable to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. At RiceTire, we can use diagnostic tools to retrieve error codes from the vehicle's computer, identify the specific issue, and recommend the necessary repairs. Ignoring the engine light may lead to increased emissions, decreased fuel efficiency, and potential engine damage over time. So, if you're unable to identify or resolve the issue on your own, RiceTire is always here to help. Our qualified mechanics can conduct a thorough inspection, diagnose the root cause of the issue, and recommend the necessary repairs. Remember, addressing automotive issues early and promptly is crucial to extending the useful life of your vehicle. Give us a call at any of our 13 locations in Maryland, Virginia, Metro DC, or Pennsylvania today. We're happy to help.